This is a Xerox image file, created by scanning documents on older Xerox machines. It's hard to share. It's best to convert it to PDF or JPG immediately. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the converter. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful XIF file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. Technically speaking, the XIF format falls under the raster image file specification. It adheres to the strict design rules of the Xerox Image Format. The XIF file extension is associated with images, and this entry provides information on how to view and convert them to JPEG format. XIF files are less common than standard image formats like JPEG or PNG. Viewing XIF images often requires specialized software or image viewers that support the format. Conversion to JPEG is a common practice for wider compatibility. The internal structure of an XIF file depends on the specific encoding used. Conversion to JPEG involves re-encoding the image data using the JPEG compression algorithm, which may result in some loss of image quality depending on the compression settings used. Several image editing programs and online converters can perform this conversion. IrfanView from Skillion should be your first choice when attempting to open XIF. The native Windows utility cannot fully interpret the file's specific data structure. Windows shows basic raster information, but precision edits require dedicated graphics applications. Start by right-clicking the XIF file and selecting Open With. Test IrfanView first if it's installed. If you don't find it, pick any other option. Some XIF files are very particular about the opener. If your XIF file will not open, do not worry. You've exhausted the easy options. We must now test these specific common failure points to definitively isolate the source of the XIF error. First, use Dedicated Viewer. Open the file using a universal image viewer like IrfanView, XNView, or an image editor like Adobe Photoshop. Ensure the necessary XIF plugin is installed. Next, convert to JPEG. Use an image editor to convert the .xif file to the standard .jpeg format for universal compatibility. Finally, check for corruption. If the file fails to open, try re-downloading it or ask the sender to export it again, as the file may be corrupt. When no app on your PC can force the XIF file open, a specialized universal viewer becomes the obvious choice. That's the tool designed to handle this level of difficulty. The real advantage of FileMagick is its deep level access, allowing it to read the content of your XIF file instantly, regardless of the file's extension. Get this powerful tool at FileMagick.com. Check out the link in the description for FileMagick. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.